Slider window installation in Gilbert, Arizona, is a top choice for homeowners seeking modern window styles. Our professional window installers in Gilbert ensure a seamless process, offering custom slider windows Gilbert that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. With energy-efficient windows Gilbert residents can trust, our services provide significant savings on energy bills. Window replacement services in Gilbert, Arizona, are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our window installation experts in Gilbert, Arizona, specialize in window glass replacement and window frame upgrades, ensuring your home remains secure and visually appealing. We offer durable window solutions that withstand the test of time, including Slider Windows Gilbert. Energy-efficient windows in Gilbert are a must for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Our window insulation services in Gilbert provide superior thermal performance, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Double-pane windows Gilbert, Arizona, are a popular choice for their excellent insulation properties, and Slider Windows Gilbert are another great option for efficient design. Custom Slider Windows Gilbert offer a unique blend of style and practicality. Our window design consultation in Gilbert, Arizona, helps you choose the perfect windows for your home. With high-quality window materials Gilbert residents can rely on, we ensure long-lasting performance and beauty, including our selection of Slider Windows Gilbert. Residential window solutions in Gilbert cater to a variety of needs, from window screen installation to window cleaning services. Our affordable window options in Gilbert make it easy to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Trust our window maintenance services in Gilbert to keep your windows in top condition, including Slider Windows Gilbert for easy operation. Window installation experts in Gilbert, Arizona, are ready to tackle any issue, from minor installations to complete window glass replacement. Our window sealing services in Gilbert prevent drafts and leaks, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. With window hardware upgrades Gilbert, Arizona, you can improve both functionality and security, including the addition of Slider Windows Gilbert. Sliding glass windows Gilbert are perfect for those who love natural light and easy access to the outdoors. Our window noise reduction Gilbert services ensure a peaceful indoor environment, free from external disturbances. Window tinting options in Gilbert provide privacy and UV protection, complementing the benefits of Slider Windows Gilbert. Window frame upgrades in Gilbert are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window safety features Gilbert, Arizona, offer peace of mind, protecting your family and property. With modern window styles Gilbert, Arizona, you can transform your home's appearance and increase its value, especially with Slider Windows Gilbert. Double-pane windows Gilbert, Arizona, are an excellent investment for homeowners seeking energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our window insulation services in Gilbert enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Trust our professional window installers in Gilbert for flawless installation, including Slider Windows Gilbert for added efficiency. Window maintenance services in Gilbert are essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our window cleaning services Gilbert, Arizona, keep your windows sparkling and clear. With window screen installation Gilbert, you can enjoy fresh air without the hassle of insects, and Slider Windows Gilbert can make this process even more convenient. Affordable window options in Gilbert make it easy to find the perfect solution for your home. Our window design consultation Gilbert, Arizona, provides personalized recommendations based on your needs and preferences. With high-quality window materials Gilbert, you can enjoy beautiful, durable windows, including slider windows Gilbert for a smooth and functional experience. Looking for professional window installers in Gilbert, Arizona? Our team specializes in slider window installation and window replacement services, ensuring your home is equipped with energy-efficient windows. We offer custom slider windows Gilbert and residential window solutions tailored to your needs. Trust our window installation experts in Gilbert, Arizona, for all your window maintenance services. Upgrade your home with sliding glass windows Gilbert and window frame upgrades in Gilbert. Our double-pane windows in Gilbert, Arizona, provide excellent insulation and noise reduction. We offer affordable window options and high-quality window materials to suit any budget. Our window design consultation in Gilbert, Arizona, helps you choose modern window styles that enhance your home's aesthetic, including slider windows Gilbert. For window sealing services in Gilbert, our experts ensure your windows are airtight, improving energy efficiency. We provide window glass replacement and durable window solutions in Gilbert, ensuring longevity and performance. Enhance your windows with window hardware upgrades and window insulation services in Gilbert for optimal comfort, including slider windows Gilbert. Our window screen installation in Gilbert keeps pests out while allowing fresh air in. We also offer window cleaning services in Gilbert, Arizona, to maintain your window's clarity and shine. Consider our window tinting options in Gilbert for added privacy and UV protection. Our window safety features in Gilbert, Arizona, ensure your family's security, including the safety of slider windows Gilbert. Choose our window noise reduction solutions in Gilbert for a quieter home environment. Our custom slider windows Gilbert are designed for easy operation and style. Trust our window installation experts in Gilbert, Arizona, for reliable and efficient service. We provide window maintenance services in Gilbert to keep your windows in top condition, including slider windows Gilbert. Explore our modern window styles in Gilbert, Arizona, for a contemporary look. Our window glass replacement in Gilbert ensures your windows are always clear and functional. We offer durable window solutions in Gilbert for long-lasting performance. Upgrade your home with window hardware upgrades in Gilbert, Arizona, for enhanced functionality, including the installation of slider windows Gilbert. Our window insulation services in Gilbert improve your home's energy efficiency. We provide window screen installation in Gilbert to keep your home comfortable and pest-free. Our window cleaning services in Gilbert, Arizona, ensure your windows are spotless. Consider our window tinting options in Gilbert for added style and protection, along with slider windows Gilbert for an efficient solution. For window safety features in Gilbert, Arizona, we offer solutions that prioritize your family's security. Our window noise reduction services in Gilbert create a peaceful home environment. Choose our slider window installation in Gilbert, Arizona, for a seamless and stylish upgrade. Our Gilbert window replacement services provide energy-efficient windows for a sustainable home, including slider windows Gilbert. Trust our window installation experts in Gilbert, Arizona, for all your window needs. We offer window maintenance services in Gilbert to ensure your windows remain in excellent condition. Our affordable window options in Gilbert provide quality without breaking the bank. Contact us for professional window installers in Gilbert, Arizona, and experience the difference, especially with our slider windows. Gilbert.